The camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert, is a remarkable and adaptable creature. With its distinct humped back, long neck, and sturdy legs, the camel is well equipped to thrive in arid and harsh environments. Known for their resilience, camels have been used by humans for centuries as a means of transportation, milk and meat production, and companionship. They possess unique physiological features that allow them to endure long periods without water, making them well suited for desert regions. Camels are also valued for their ability to provide nutritious milk, which is gaining popularity for its health benefits. Owning and managing a camel farm requires dedication and expertise. The process of camel milk production begins with the careful and humane milking of camels. Skilled milkers employ techniques that ensure the well-being and comfort of the animals during the milking process. Female camels are usually at their peak milk production between 4 to 8 years of age. Once the milk is collected, it undergoes a series of steps to ensure its safety and quality. The milk is typically filtered to remove any impurities and then chilled to maintain freshness. Pasteurization is an important step in camel milk processing. This involves heating the milk to a specific temperature to kill harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's beneficial properties. After pasteurization, the milk may be further processed or packaged depending on the intended use. Some camel milk is consumed fresh, while other portions are used to create various camel milk products. Camel milk can be transformed into a wide range of products, including cheese, yogurt, ice cream, and even skincare items. These products not only retain the nutritional value of camel milk but also offer unique flavors and textures. Now, let's move to camel meat processing. Camel meat has been consumed for centuries in regions where camels are prevalent. It's known for its rich flavor, lean texture, and nutritional value, making it a popular choice among certain cultures and communities. Camel meat processing begins with the careful selection of healthy camels for slaughter. It's important to ensure that the animals are handled in a humane and respectful manner throughout the entire process. Once the camels are selected, the slaughtering process takes place in a controlled environment following proper procedures to maintain hygiene and food safety standards. After the slaughtering process, the camel carcasses are transported to meat processing facilities. Here, the meat undergoes a series of steps to ensure quality, taste, and food safety. The camel meat is carefully inspected and divided into different cuts, such as steaks, roasts, ground meat, and more. These cuts can be further trimmed and cleaned to remove excess fat and connective tissue. Once the meat is prepared, it can be packaged for distribution to markets, restaurants, or other outlets. Some camel meat products may also undergo additional processing, such as marination or seasoning, to enhance flavor profiles. Camel meat is known for its low fat content, high protein content, and a good balance of essential amino acids. It also contains important vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritious choice for those seeking a lean and flavorful protein source. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and interesting. If you want to learn more about agriculture and farming, be sure to check out our other videos on this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.